Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change Gmail phone number on mobile. Firstly, launch the Settings app on your device. Tap Google in the Settings menu, then select Manage your Google account to open the account settings page. Navigate to the Personal Info tab at the top of the screen and under the Contact Info section, tap Phone. Type your current phone number, then select the Edit button. Confirm ownership of your device when prompted by tapping the blue Continue button. Now, unlock your device using your screen lock method or password. You'll be directed to the phone number settings page. Tap the Edit button next to your number and select Update Number. Enter your new one, then tap Select. And that's it. Your phone number linked to your Google account has now been successfully updated. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.